Hi friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to speak with you. Today I am going to share a fun geometry investigation. One day, deeply I researched about the circle. Suddenly one question came to in my mind. Why we have to study about the circle? Then I observed around my place. Some object shapes look like a form of circle. And where we are living, the planet name is Earth. What is the shape of Earth? Not only Earth, if you take our solar system, those all planets are look like a circle, and even planet Runway also what form of circle only. Now I realized circle is very important in our life. Without circle, we are zero. Think about a zero. What will be the shape? Form of circle only. Now, how you can draw the perfect circle? I took my ruler, which is nothing but scale, and compass fixed with a pencil. I made setting 2 cm in that compass. Then I placed the compass to one paper. In that, where my pencil is fixed, let me call point B, and compass another end is point A. In between this point A to B, length is 2 cm. Okay. Now I am going to drive this compass 360 degree, which means rotating like this way. Now I got perfect circle. In this point A to B, length is 2 cm. This is the radius of the circle. If I will extend this line to straightly other side, then line will meet one point. Let give name for that point. That is point C. Okay. Now length in between the point A to B is 2 cm. Now what will be the length in between A to C? That is also same 2 cm only. Now what will be the total length this line? In between this line B to C, that is the total length, right? B to A already we know 2 cm, and A to C we know 2 cm. That means total length 2 plus 2 equal 4 cm. That will be the diameter of the circle, which is 4 cm. Okay. Now take two cotton string in two different colors. One is green and another one is yellow. For what purpose? I have to measure the circle. Now I have one small size of circle. By using this green string, I am going to measure circumference or perimeter of the circle. Like this way I wind it and I remove. By using this yellow string, I am going to measure radius of the circle. But I used only one half from this yellow string and another half I placed here. Now 2 times of radius I got. That means overall length will be 2 times of radius, which is nothing but diameter of the circle. And I remove for measurement. Now I am going to increase my circle size. I have a little bit now larger size of circle. Previously what I did, that same procedure I am going to follow now. I have a green string. I am going to measure the circumference by using like this way. Then I removed. I have a yellow string. One half I placed here and another half I placed here. I am going to remove one by one. First I removed one half. I placed my left side, and another half I removed. I placed my right side. This green string is used for measure the circumference. I collected this all strings. Now we can go for measurement. By using this scale, we can measure the all string length. I got some values. For first circle, I have radius is 2 cm, diameter is 4 cm. This two measurement is very easy. It's not so difficult. But when I am going to measure the circumference, I faced so much difficulties here. Here you can see circumference 12.56637 cm. This is difficult to achieve because more accurate value. So some easiest way we have to find. For that purpose, I made one relationship in between circumference and diameter by using division method. I formed this formula. Circumference divided by diameter. Simply I formed this formula. Based on this formula, I substituted these values to in that formula. What I got? I got some answer. 3.1415926 like that. Okay. Previously what procedure I followed, that same procedure only I have to follow for second circle also. Here I have a second circle measurement values. Radius is 10 cm, diameter is 20 cm. Okay, this is very easy to measure, but here circumference 62.8319. So this is also difficult to measure here. Okay, somehow I got it. Okay, so this all values I am going to substitute in formula. I substituted 62.8319 is the circumference value, its upside, diameter is 20 centimeter, it is a downside. Okay, if you try to solve this, I got some answer 3.1415926. Hey, here I subtract. This is the previous one answer, right? So for this circle also I got same answer. Okay, I realized that if we will take any type of circle, in that circle circumference divided by diameter, if we will substitute, same answer only we will get. So then I realized this is the constant number for given formula. Finally I got this constant number 3.14159. But what is this? How to remember easily? This is in form of decimal. It's difficult to remember. Let's we do approximation first. 3.14 only will take. How we got this number? Came from this formula only. For any circle, that is a very important point. What name I can give for this constant number? I don't know. Continuously I am thinking. At the same time, I wrote this number to so many places and papers also, but I am not able to do. One day I fully tired. Then I went for face wash. At the same time, I carried one paper with me. In that paper, previously I wrote this constant number. I kept that paper to my side. Then I washed my face and I looked at myself in the mirror. At the same time, what I observed, paper reflection. Carefully I observed. It looked like English letters. P-I-E. How can I read this? Can I call pi? Oh God. So we can use this name for this constant number. Pi, P-I-E. That is a backward or reverse reflection of 3.14 only. So we will call pi for this constant number. Finally I create the name for this constant number. But this name is not possible to substitute while solving the math problem. I have to create the symbol for that also. I tried, but I am not able to create. One day, I seen those strings, which is I used to for measure the circle. How that strings are located, Green string, I observed it's located like that, and two yellow strings is placed downside. From this, you have to observe carefully. Upside, that green string is used for measure the circumference, right? And downside, this two yellow string is used for measure the two radius, which is nothing but diameter. Hey, see, we got our formula here. What a surprise. Why not? We can use this symbol for this formula. This is what actually? It's pi only. Okay, I got finally, fully understand. Do you love this? Maybe. But this is the original history or not, I don't know exactly. But this thing will make you remember